Good morning or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. um, Thanks in advance for your good behavior. Today we're going to start off with Alex like normal, and we'll go till 8:20. Then we're going to get into the groups from yesterday. If you can't remember which one, Mr. Karstens has the list. One group will work with Mr. Karstens while the other one starts working on the SBAC packet of pain. I'll describe that here in a moment. Remember that when you're in the groups, you are working either with Mr. Karstens or on your own. So if Mr. Karstens will take a turn with each group. When it's not your turn, you are going to check out the SBAC packet of pain, which looks like this. This is the very first page. So what I want you to do is not do any of it, which is odd, and I know that. You're going to start off by just reading the questions, and I want to start by the ones that you read and you think, okay, I know how to get started on a problem like this. You may not know the answer, or you know that you'll make some mistakes, but it's something that you've at least seen before. If you get to something that you've never seen before, I want a question mark. I really want you to spend some time actually looking through it, about 10-15 minutes actually reading through the problems and just deciding how many of these problems you have no clue how to get started on. You've never seen anything like it. This would be an additional problem. And like I said, I don't really want you working on it until we've talked about it on Monday. So just go through the packet of pain, take your time, check it out, see what kinds of problems are in there, and be ready to get started on it on Monday. When you're finished with this packet of pain and Mr. Karstens is still working with the other group, then you can get your iPads back out and work on Alex. Okay, have a really great weekend. Think sunshine, and I will see you Monday.